All right, walking through Harajuku. It's pretty cool. Cool outside. It's kind of busy during the middle of the week. It's all right. A lot of stores, a lot of shops, people just coming through. It's like thousands upon thousands of people just walking through. I'm just gonna weave through. Right here, Wolfgang Puck has a restaurant here. Wolfgang Puck Express. Pretty cool. Just gonna keep on weaving through here. A lot of things going on. People just shopping at the restaurants. Authentic Japanese restaurant at McDonald's. Right here, people ordering their French fries and American burgers. Let's see what kind of burgers they have. They have all sorts of stuff going on in there. Just gonna cruise down the street. Tabio, it's people waving. Everything's going on. A lot of stores, electronic stores. You can get some of anything here. This is a big camera elect. A lot of things to buy in here. Skipped over Paris. Kids right here buy some stuff. A lot of people just chilling out. You're gonna see makeup goods, a door. That's pretty familiar to a lot of people. Just gonna cruise down streets some more. Money exchange, people smiling. Manly men eating ice cream. Sweet box, I guess that's like something, I don't know. I'm gonna go over here and see what this is right here. Sweet box. See what they're cooking down in here. Looks like some sort of, what is it that they're cooking? Something. Oh, it looks like crepes. Looks like they're cooking crepes down there. All right, that's sweet box. It's just one area. We're gonna keep on going down the street. A lot of cool things. Shops, a W, Love C, whatever that is. Not sure exactly what that is. People, this is cool. Drugged honey. Not sure what that is. You know what honey is. Cool. People just cruising down. Just a nice fall night. People love samurai. People enjoying the cool day. Some type of store. Winnie the Pooh shirt. Always wanted a Winnie the Pooh shirt. People saying hello. There's just a whole bunch of stores going on right here. Shopping. What is this? A Disney store right here. Those use Disney heads. I know there's some of you out there. It's kind of calm, like right now. Not as busy as Shibuya, but it's definitely a lot of people. People just getting out of school, off work, shopping. Look at these cool, colorful shirts right here. Somebody's like recording some of it. It's pretty fresh. Edute House, I'm not sure how to say that. Edute House, I'm not. Sweets Harajuku. Looks like a candy store of some sort. Down. And this just keeps on going on for about a couple more blocks. Pretty fresh, pretty sweet. Keep on walking. The food smells good right now. Look at this. This right here is Marion crepes. All sorts of different crepes in here that you can choose from. Let's take a look at them. Strawberry chocolates. All of these. Looks really good. This is fake right here. But this is showing what they can make. Looks really good. And I'm just gonna keep on going down here, and there is A lot of shops. A lot of ice cream for some reason. I guess ice cream isn't big down here. Traditional Japanese type of food. And crepes and ice cream. Making ice cream cones out of crepes. That's something new that I haven't heard of. I'm gonna have to check that out. All right, I'm signing off. All right.